Oh, bango!
Kapoy, kapoy.
We're here in Taipei MX Station. Pasakay kami ng high-speed rail papuntang Taoyuan. Ay, arrival, Taipei. So, ito yun guys, may tickets na kami sa high-speed rail. First pala is yung EC card, and second na naman na parang gate is ito ng card. So, here. Na free wifi dire. Free wifi. So yun guys, nagkamali kami. Next daw namin is 10. Next is 12:47. So we'll just wait for the 12:47 one. Kasi na-miss namin yung 12:11. Actually, nasa gilid na talaga namin yung 12:11. Hindi namin alam na yun na pala yun. So, this side pala daw. It's just 2 stops. Nanami diri sa Taoyuan. Cherry blossom. Sorry po, bad words, pero may rice. Okay, let's go inside. Wala may nasabtan pero technique din eh. Sige na yango niya. Naman na sila i-point guys. I-follow na lang ito ninyo. Malamang no, di mo. Ano isang sapa no? Pwede ko mag-charge. So, dili din minikaon guys. Ramen Ippudo. And right now, we're going to have a picture here. Alam na sila ikiyaking. Cherry blossom. I'm going to touch for the first time. Cherry blossom. Oh, bango. Ang bango. It smells so good. So, ngayon guys, nakapapicture na kami sa mga cherry blossoms dito sa may Taoyuan na station. Ako sure ko talaga meron talagang place dito na mas marami pa yung cherry blossoms, pero here pa lang okay na kami just for us to see cherry blossoms. So, ngayon is spring, so kaya meron tayong mga cherry blossoms guys, yung mga flowers namumunga, more flowers. I mean, may pa ilang mga maganda yung kanilang mga overpass dito guys kasi may elevator. Escalator. Ganda ng train station ng Taoyuan guys.
Let go of the luggage.
So, halos lahat ng mga designer brands guys andito. So, bibili ba tayo? Sino ba ako para bumili? Supposed to be, pupunta kami ng Zuling, pero feel like closed, so libot-libot na lang kami din. Punta kami ng X Park, yung mga aquarium, mga fishes. Nasa Starbucks kami guys, kasi nakakapagod yung paglalakad na sobrang init. So papunta na kami ngayon ng X Park. Isa sa itinerary namin. Hello, may coffee shop. So cute. We're here guys. Akit kami for X Park. So we just purchased our ticket, 600 NTD each person. 1,000 yung maghatag, pero naghatag mo ko 200. Marik 200 na lang. Yeah. Ang galing-galing niya, guys. Gotta be a long video, guys. Wait, let me see. What the fudge? This is the biggest aquarium I've ever seen in my life. Nainag ano, guys?
All of my help comes from you, Lord. All of my help, all of my help comes from you, Lord. All of my help.
We're here in the
Rainforest
Rainforest
Adventure.
Adventure. So, more on fishes that is found in rainforest.
Eat well.
Wow, may pa-thunder effect sila dito, guys. Yarmouth! So, after sa rainforest zone, guys, we are going to the freezing zone. Guys, muna yung mga sila yun. First time ko makita sila. Cute, uy! Cute man, uy! Where are you taking us? Oh my gosh, guys. Wait lang. Give me your phone. Isa. Uy. Salak. Ah guys, snow. Tuloy yung snow na puntahan namin dito. If nagugutom ka guys, pwede mo naman kayo kumain, pero kami, kailangan na namin pumunta ng Shimending. Oh guys, niagi sila. Agi lang. Agi lang mo. Yung mga nag-tour, may nagtutour guys. Still have 3 days here, so still have many days to have fun. So, yung ticket namin guys is mamaya pa siya 7 and we wanted to have an earlier trip sana kasi we want to go early na. Back early to Taipei. So right now we're here. Sabi nung information desk, we can change once. So we're gonna change this into an earlier trip. So, mamadali kami. Kasi super early talaga yung. Super early din naman talaga. 5:02 kami natapos dun. 5:11 yung kanilang sinit. O yung pina-change namin. So, okay, let's go.